Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So today's topic would be related to a cab. What are the things people do while booking a cab, but what are the things people forget? Most important thing people forget while getting into the cab. So please stay tuned with me because that thing would be very important for your safety. My name is Chirag and you're watching CJTalk. Sadly, the stories of the molestation are increasingly common, reflecting the decaying mental health of the society. So in these times, it is better to be cautious than regret later. So with this point, I would like to continue my discussion by telling you what are the general things people do while booking a cab. First, they will select the type of the car. Second, they will select the car which is nearest from their location. And the third, they will check the rating of the driver. So these 3 points are absolutely fine. So when the cab arrives, they will start getting into the cab. They forget one of the most important thing, that is to check child lock is on or off. So today's video is all about the child lock. What is child lock and how it can be dangerous for a passenger while he is getting into a cab. Child lock is a safety mechanism to prevent the kids to open the door from inside the car. When the child lock is on, you can't able to open the back door from inside the car. Child lock is different for different cars. In some cars, it's with the driver's control, but most of the car, it's fitted in the back door only. So it's so small, you might not spot it in case of emergency. So mostly it can be switched on and off when the door is already open. The point of child lock is so small that most of the passengers usually ignore. So next time whenever you enter to the cab, make sure that the child lock is off. So now I'm going to show you a clip in which you can see how a child lock looks like and how it can be open or off.
This is a taxi, for example, that we've called around. It's a standard vehicle. Now, before you get into that vehicle, here's what you can do. You open the door to get in. I'm going to ask the camera to come in. Here, this is the physical child lock facility. It's unlocked now. If it's pushed that way, it's locked. It's marked very clearly on all cars. Before you get into the car, check for this facility. If it is locked, this is what happens. You get in. If you're in a child-locked car, you can only open the door from the outside, which means that the passenger in the back of the car is effectively trapped.
So hopefully you know how child lock looks like and how it operates. So just imagine a situation. A female passenger is traveling alone in a cab and a cab driver activates the child lock. So now the female passenger is unable to open the door from inside. So in that situation, it increases the possibility of the crime against her. So you should always be cautious while entering into a cab. So most of the governments around the world have decided that the private cars should paste stickers inside the car that they have to inform regarding the child lock to the passenger. It is compulsory for all the private cabs that they have to put a sticker inside the car so that the passenger can able to read all the options that how they can unlock the child lock. So this step is very important and very helpful for the safety point of view. In the end, I only want to say one lock can save your life. Hopefully you understand all the info related to child lock, how it works, how it looks like. If you do, give a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing it. And until that, thanks for watching. Goodbye.